Welcome back to Trigga Man Trading. It's me, Trigga Man. I'm over here enjoying the day on a break. But yeah, I wanted to follow up with y'all on the trades that I put in. Bitcoin has still been doing well on the upside today. We went up and touched about 104K, which is awesome because this shows us that we have a chance to get back above 110K in the near future. But yeah, I did trade the breakout on Bitcoin. And so I'm just gonna have you take a look at where we're at now. So far, we have Bitcoin up 65%, Ethereum 213%, DOGE is up 144%, Chain Link up 147%. As you can see, these are small trades, so the profit amounts are not thousands of dollars, but they're hundreds. And the goal is to hold these through the parabolic phase of the bull run, which is the fourth phase of the bull run. And right now you can see that Solana is pumping also up 118%. Sui is up 192%, which is crazy because I just recently started looking at Sui this year more seriously. And then XRP, of course, is up 100%. Has tried to shit on me because I was holding a lot of XRP. But of course, I took some profits on the pump, and I still have a little bag left. But I mostly have been taking profits from XRP, my holdings in Solana, some of the holdings that I have had in Ethereum, and I've been buying Kaspa with them because Kaspa, just to keep things simple, Kaspa is going to change the whole game, and they just released the the Crescendo hard fork. I think that was on Monday, and basically that allowed them to start producing 10 blocks per second, as opposed to the blockchains that can only do, like Bitcoin can only do one block, for 10 minutes or something, but it takes a lot longer, which means it's less scalable. And that's one of the problems that we were trying to solve in the crypto space is scalability, speed, security. And now that those have been pretty much solved by Kaspa, I'm putting a lot of money in Kaspa, and I've been buying it when it dipped to 5 cents a couple months ago. I bought another big position there. And I've also been investing in some of the KRC20 tokens, which are on the Kaspa network. They're awesome tokens like Hero, Kachi, Nacho, Casper the Ghost. There's a few others in there, but you can just scroll through there and find a bunch of cool projects. And once the KRC20s get going on the Kaspa network, they're going to blow up hard. So you're going to want to make sure you dabble in there and throw a few dollars into a few of those meme coins. But let's see what else I can show you here. I wanted to go over the chart basically. If you look at Bitcoin, it is still up high. We had a wick come down. Here on the hourly chart. So with the little imbalance showing between 101K to around 102K, it may come. So we're doing good on the daily. Look at that. And what I'm hoping this is just signs of the parabolic phase. Fourth phase of Bitcoin starting now, because I would love to be able to hold the trades I took down here when we had the breaking out taking place. Actually, when Bitcoin was breaking out, and now we're going to have some pullback because it can't go up forever, just straight up. It has to have some consolidation, some retracements, and so that's what we're looking for now. So if you haven't bought any crypto, any Bitcoin, Solana, Sui, Kaspa, or any of that, and you do want to put in some leverage trades, you may want to consider these ranges, the lower ranges basically that it could pull back to. And maybe I'll do a video on that a little bit later, but this one I just wanted to show you. We are having the breakout with Bitcoin. All the positions that I've entered are in profit. I'm really, really grateful for that. And grateful to be in on the pump, because it's about how much time you spend in the market. And soon I'll be looking for points of interest to take profits on these. And if I'm able to, I'll post another video about that. But either way, I hope y'all are enjoying the day. It's me, Trigga Man Trading. We're out here stacking this crypto. We're out here trading the NASDAQ. I'll be bringing you some videos on that soon, and probably bringing up a special guest to talk to you about how to trade the NASDAQ, the S&P 500, those type of markets. That way you have more opportunities and options to work with and different assets that you can trade with. So as you can see, I put in trades on 8 different crypto tokens because it's not guaranteed that they're all going to pump and follow Bitcoin. However, as you can see, they generally tend to do that. Until Ethereum takes over in market dominance, then we'll see the altcoins really shooting up and outperforming Bitcoin. So until then, or until next time, I'm signing out. It's your man, Trigga Man, out here in Colorado. Check me out on Twitter, x.com, if you want to follow quicker updates. But I'm just getting started, man, so I appreciate y'all following me. I know this is mainly just my close buddies and friends that watch this, but keep stacking up on these dips like we talk about, you know, and definitely bag up on Caspa, man. You just have to get this. This is generational wealth, okay? The world is having what's called the Great Reset, where they're resetting the financial system from the old fiat currency, how it was inflationary, to a new digital system that is anti-inflationary and that is the solution to many of the world's financial problems. So this is why you see the US government embracing it and becoming the main competitor to want to lead the crypto space, because it will allow us to dominate the world financially. And once these tariff wars and things cool off and hopefully blow over, we'll be able to get more solid entries and more of a good idea of what direction we're going to go with, you know, tokenizing real world assets and all these other plans that we have to do with crypto. So other than that, have a sunny day. Peace. Stay sharp, stay focused, stay aimed, squeeze that Trigga Man Trading. Peace.